Hi, my name is Enrique, and here at Empower Brokerage, we get several questions throughout the year, and one that keeps on coming up happens to be with life insurance and the beneficiary. Now, we're assuming that the person who's applied for the life insurance has a policy in place, and they have named a beneficiary. It could be their spouse, or it could be a business partner, or it could be someone else who has an insurable interest in the life insurance policy, and with, of course, the insured. And what I mean by that, it is quite obvious as far as the spouse having an insurable interest. Could be the same thing for a business partner. In other words, if the insured passes away, there's got to be something for the beneficiary, like the spouse, for the family, the children. It's for the business owner to pay off the business debt, or to keep the business as an ongoing concern. So back to the question, what does the beneficiary need to do in the process? Well, in the initial process, quite frankly, nothing. The main thing to keep in mind, as I keep on using the phrase insurable interest, is that the insurance company wants to know if there is in fact an insurable interest with the beneficiary. I think I've covered that more than enough. So at this point, let's fast forward to when the person passes away, the insured. So what does the beneficiary need to do? Well, at this point, more than likely the beneficiary is aware that they are listed on the insurance policy, so they should have a copy, or at least a reference number and a phone number to call the insurance company to file a claim upon the death of the insured. At that point, they probably just need to identify who they are and show proof of death of the insured, and they would be paid, whether it be paid directly to their bank account or to be paid in the form of a check. So quite frankly, it's quite straightforward. I have personally processed a death benefit, and in the case that I worked with, it was a matter of days that the deposit, if you will, was made into the beneficiary's account. So once again, the most thing to be aware of is the insurable interest, in which the applicant is going to name beneficiary. Upon death, probably just show proof of who they are. If the person who was the initial designated beneficiary has since moved on or passed away, I should say, then most carriers do have on the form a contingent beneficiary. In that case, what I've mentioned up until this point is applicable to the contingent beneficiary as well, because they've been named by the insured. If you'd like more details about this, give us a call here at Empower Brokerage at 888-539-1633. Thank you.